Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss expression designing using length function. First, navigate to the Setup Column Attributes section, where you will find a list of available columns. To create an expression using functions, click on the Add Edit Expression button. This will open the script editor, where you can write your expression using predefined functions. Always begin your script with the keyword #@lscript. To add a new expression, click on the Add button, indicated by a plus sign. You will need to define the expression name and choose its type, which can either be text or numeric, depending on the nature of your expression. Once the expression is created, double-click on it to insert it into the script editor. Now, let's define a simple length function that returns the length of the given parameter. To use this function, type len, then open round parenthesis and provide the parameter from field list and close it with a right parenthesis. For example, len brackets open, item code, brackets closed. After writing the expression, save it. Then, scroll down to check the box of newly created expression. You will now see the expression column added to the grid. Finally, let's review the result. Since we used the item code parameter in our expression, the corresponding values in the expression column will now return the length of the item code as shown in the video. In a similar way, we can also add expressions in reports. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Just like we did earlier in the documents section, go to Setup Column Attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script editor is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup Column Attributes section. Click on Add Edit Expression Columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword #lscript. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. To define a new expression, simply click on the Add Expression button. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. After that, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Now, define the expression using the length function, which will display the number of letters digits. To apply the function, type len, followed by the parameter name in round parentheses. For example, len, open round brackets, item code, and then close the brackets. Save the expression once it's defined. Next, scroll down and check the box to enable the column in the report. Finally, refresh the report, and you will see that the column displays the length of the item code in the corresponding expression.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.